there is quite often this entire stigma associated with AI, where there is this thought going around like AI technology is a disruptor. Often it is associated with disruption in jobs, job security, and things like that. I think we are seeing that quite often, and I think the narrative is changing. But from your perspective, that entire notion of, okay, AI is a disruptor, there is going to be an impact to jobs or even job loss. Is it the right narrative? Are we missing something out here? What's your perspective?
You know, I feel as though we have so much of the narrative is driven by fear of the known and the rapid change of pace right now. But yet, manufacturers have been through and have led and have built all these industrial revolutions. So when we went to the steam engine, when the assembly lines began, it changed the nature of work, and I think very much that is very much the case here. It's going to change the roles, it's going to change what we do and how we do it. The roles are going to evolve and the tasks are going to change.
And this is a classic example of how AI can coexist, make jobs better, make some of the workforce perform better than what they are doing today.